Today I'll be teaching you how to fix your account warning on TikTok. So sometimes due to no reason TikTok gives you this account warning because TikTok bot mistakes some things and they think your account is doing something wrong even though you're not doing anything wrong, then it's going to give you this warning. In that case, what you need to do is report this problem, and if you report this problem, TikTok staff will view it and they'll see if the account warning was done mistakenly or if it was done correctly. Now remember, if you did something bad and you got this account warning, then you cannot remove it. But if you did nothing wrong and you still got it, then you can do this. You can click on your profile at the bottom right, and at the top you can see the three lines. Click on it and click on where it says settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, scroll a bit down and click on the option called the report to problem. Over here you can see this option called profiles. Click on account and profile. Now once you're over here, you can see this option called profile page. Click on it, scroll all the way down and click on where it says other. Once you click on other, it's going to take you over here. Now over here you want to click on where it says no. Once you click on no, you can see this option called need more help. Now click on need more help. Now once you click on need more help, you want to write this, alright? So make sure you write this. I got an account warning on TikTok. I have not violated any rules of TikTok. Can you help me fix it? Once you write this, click on submit, and this problem will be submitted to TikTok, and then TikTok staff will view it and they'll review your account, and if they think that it was done by mistake, they will remove it. That's how you guys can fix your account warning on TikTok issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.